All your favorite 2D animated effects in one place. Let's put our hands on the new 2D special effects pack made for our free After Effects extension, Animation Composer. You can get it on our website for free. This tutorial is for After Effects, but note that this pack is also available for Premiere Pro. Make sure you have installed the Animation Composer and 2D Special Effects extension pack. Now we can open the 2D Special Effects folder and choose any desired item. We have a lot of effects ready for you, from electrics through explosions to splatters. You can notice that some of the categories are separated into V1 and V2 folders. That's because the pack just got a new big update. And there are a lot of new cool effects. The new ones are inside the V2 folder. V1 is for the first edition, but those effects still rock, so don't hesitate to use them. Let's choose some of the items to do a small demonstration of controls for you. Simply add the effect by clicking the add button. We're gonna add lightning, fireball and smoke. So let's look at controls and properties you can change. Besides colors and transformation, some of the effects have a unique controller. Notice that the lightning and fire have a glow. You can do whatever you want with it. Make it bigger, softer, or just turn it off. The glow will also automatically change color, based on the color palette of the item. You can change the opacity of the item with the opacity slider. The same thing applies to a blur effect for smoke. Just move the slider and it will do the job for you. Now I will show you how to make a beautiful special effect animation with your text. I have a text layer ready. Let's bring some fire to the game. I guess Fireball is the best fit for the beginning. Go to the fire category, click Fireball and then the add button. Now we want the fireball to hit the text layer correctly. That means we need to reposition the fireball a little. Here we go. Now place the fireball under the text layer. It's time for some masking. I want the fireball to disappear right after hitting the letter S. That should do the trick. Now let's continue with some other fire effects. I want to extend the fire from the fireball and make it go through the entire text area. And we have one special effect that would fit perfectly for this. As you can see, we need to change the position again and rescale the fire slightly. Let's adjust the timing so it fits the fireball animation. This looks about right. Also, we need another mask to join these two effects correctly. You can increase the mask feathers to smoothly transition from one effect to another. And let's fix the ending to fit the text layer. That's hot. Maybe a little too hot. We need to add some electric effects as well, to balance the elements. Go to the electric effect folder and scroll down to the effects made especially for texts. And let's go with this one. I want it to appear right in the middle of the fire animation. And again, rescale and reposition so it fits. This time I will also adjust the glow of the lightning. I like it more glowy. Lovely. I'd say that we are almost finished. Let's add one more electric as a final touch, to complete the movement of the energy. Scale, position and glow. Now let's take a look. Yep, that is special. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. Now go crazy with this pack and enjoy the power of the elements. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website for more awesome stuff. See you next time!